Welcome back to our YouTube channel LT Design 97. In today's video, we will introduce to you an AI platform that allows us to build websites with just one prompt. You heard right, just one prompt command and we have a website that can be easily customized. The AI platform I want to talk about is called Mixo AI. This is probably a new breakthrough in website building when applying AI technology. Now creating a website has never been so easy with Mixo AI. Now let's go into the detailed practice with Mixo AI. First you will visit Show Me and the website that I have left under the description of the video with great promotional codes. You can register Mixo AI and use it. Registering an account is very simple. The promotional codes I have left are of high value, please take advantage of them. Registering an account is very simple. You can register an account via email or log in directly with your Google account. I already have an account, so I will click here to log in. This is the main working interface of Mixo AI. First, let's take a look at the detailed price list of the platform. Here is Mixo AI's detailed price list. Please choose a suitable package and do not forget the promotional codes that I have provided. With these packages we will get free domain. Now we will start practicing creating a website with Mixo AI. You will select New Site. A dialog box will now appear asking you to enter a prompt describing the topics of the website you want to create. There are many website themes that you want to make, choose a suitable theme. For example, I love animals so much that I want to create a website with this theme. Now let's practice creating this website together. Next, here is the part of choosing your purpose when building this website. Choose the one that suits your needs. This section will help increase your followers. Link to my address, product, I think I will choose this item. We will wait and see how the website turns out. Mixo AI system is working now. As you can see, we got the result of a website about pets. Very nice and cute. I really like the minimalist, clean website style. I feel that this site is quite suitable for the idea that I want. Here we have customizable items such as changing colors, changing layout, changing images, content with AI available on Mixo AI. I will try to change some layouts. So we see that changing the layout is also very convenient. I will choose this layout, I will save it and continue with the content editing steps. Here you can see on the left there are page sections for you to customize and edit. Next we will go into the quick edits. First, for example, if you need to edit the header, you will click on these three dots in the header section of the website. Now you can adjust the brand here, for example logo, menu pages. Next, to edit the content, we will also click on the three dots. The edit dialog box will appear or there will be AI support. Similarly, we will adjust the objects on our website in turn. Please practice with me. After setting up the website parts, we will proceed to publish the website. So we have published the website. However, you can adjust the domain of the website by using the free domain for 1 year. Now we will start how to register a free domain for 1 year for the website. We will find domains that are originally subsidized at $20 and are now free. For example, here we will have this domain and I will choose it to go to pay $0 for 1 year. We will need to fill in the information in this form again to proceed with free domain registration. So we have registered the free domain. Now we will need some more time to connect the website with the domain. We will need almost 14H to complete this. Thank you for watching the video with me up to this point. See you in the next videos.